To start, make a slip knot, insert your hook, grab the yarn and pull it through the loop. Make 25 stitches in total. If the yarn you're using is thicker or thinner than the one I'm using for my tutorial and you would like to get the same size bag, make sure the chain you're making measures around 35 centimeters in total. When you get to the end of the chain, insert your hook in the second stitch and make one single crochet. You will make one single crochet in each stitch until you get to the end of the chain. When you get to the end of the row, chain 1, which means make an extra loop, and turn your work over. Now repeat the process of making one single crochet in each stitch of the row until you get a rectangle measuring around 35 times 15 centimeters. So now that I have my rectangle, I usually cut the yarn and place a marker on the last stitch. Now you will make one single crochet in each stitch around the rectangle. Next, you will make one single crochet in each of the stitches back loops only. So take your work, insert your hook below the first stitch back loops, yarn over, pull it through the loop. Continue around the rectangle until you reach the marker. Last one. Now turn the work over and lift the row you've just finished. This row is the first row of your bag. Next, you will make one single crochet in each stitch of the first row with the white yarn. So insert your hook in the middle of the V-shaped stitch and make one single crochet. And you will do this for 8 rows. Last one. So now we will add the second color. I'm using ivory beige t-shirt yarn. All you do is you insert your hook in the first stitch of the new row. You grab the new yarn and you make one single crochet. You will make 3 rows with the second color. There are different ways to add color to a crochet project. This is one of the easiest ways. And with the white yarn, you have 2 options. You could either hide it in the stitches, or you could make a tight knot and cut it, which is what I've done in this video. So now we've made 3 rows with the beige yarn. We will add the white yarn again using the same process, and we will make 3 rows. Okay, so we're close to the end now. We've made 27 rows in total, and we have a bag measuring around 30 times 45 centimeters. Next, count 10 stitches from each side of the bag and place your markers where the handles will go. Do the same on the other side. This is the last row. First, make one single crochet in each stitch until you reach the first marker. When you reach the marker, place the handle and make one single crochet in the stitch directly below the marker. Make the next single crochet 2 rows down and continue until you reach the second marker. When you reach the second stitch marker, make one single crochet in the stitch directly underneath. Now fold the side of the bag. Continue with one single crochet in each stitch until you reach the folded part. Then insert your hook all the way through the fold to the other side. Grab the yarn and put it through the fold to make a single crochet. Now do the same thing on the other side. Now you folded the second side and make one last single crochet. Make a slip stitch. Cut the yarn, pull it, hide it, cut it, and you're set.